Hey guys, Adam Lee RC here with my daughter Taylor Ahalani.
Hi.
And today we're showing you a Traxxas TRX4 Bronco.
It's limited edition and you can only get it on Snap-on.
This one is the Snap-on Tools edition, the Snap-on Tools limited edition. So you can't just get this from any hobby shop or online. You have to get this through a Snap-on dealer, and the only way to get this from a Snap-on dealer is to buy a very expensive Snap-on toolbox, and then you'll get this. Snap-on and Traxxas have been doing this for a while. They've done their X-Max, they've done their Stampede, and now they're doing the TRX4. So if you buy a $5,000 toolbox, you get a limited edition. Well, now you get a TRX4. This one is different than your normal Bronco. This one has the long travel kit made by Traxxas, already installed, and it also has 2.2 wheels and tires, which I don't think the regular Bronco does. So what do you think? Should we open it up?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Go ahead.
Manual.
We'll get the cutters real quick.
Here's the
I don't know if
the
my other TRX4 didn't come. This one comes with a Traxxas charger.
Can we open it?
No. Go ahead, take the wrapper off. So you get your TQ radio with your diff lock switches, just like the normal TRX4. So this one actually comes with a Lipo battery and the charger, which the other TRX4 that I got didn't come with. No, don't take it off. Didn't come with that stuff. Comes with a 3-cell 5,000 milliamp 50C battery. That's pretty cool. So as you can see, it has the red links from the long arm kit. It does have a metal servo horn. Can you grab me my TRX4 right there, Taylor? Just gonna compare it to mine. Yeah, because the original TRX4 has a plastic servo horn with the black links. So this one does have some upgrades. The red ring wheels, like I said, with the 2.2 wheels. Let's see, let's compare it to a... Oh, I have the Traxxas tires on my 6x6 here. Here's those tires compared to the original 1.9s, so they're quite bigger. I had these, I took off my original TRX4 and I used it for my Tamiya, what do you call this thing again? So it does have this Traxxas light kit, which I am also not sure that the original Bronco has. I don't have the TRX4 Bronco. I have the original Land Rover Defender one, and it doesn't have this light kit. So that, I don't know if that's exclusive to Snap-on or not. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. But this one has the Snap-on logos on the windows, and then the color scheme is different, I believe.
Try.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is the TRX4 Bronco Snap-on Edition. Anything else? Limited Edition.